Hello everybody, my name is Shauna and I'm going to do a quick review on some fidget toys that I have. I'm going to go from my most favorite, actually my least favorite, to my most favorite. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what is this? The fidget spinner. It's from Canada's 150th birthday. It comes in this little tin can. So, yeah. I can't believe I almost called that my favorite. This is a green and yellow cube. It's a little sparkly, it's a maze. It's kind of boring, but my dad found it for me. Yeah, it's a little weird, but it's kind of cute. I got this fidget cube when it first got onto the shelves. It's full of buttons and switches, this little ball and video game joystick kind of thing. I don't know what this is. And this little pad or something. I don't know. That's the fidget cube. This is a squishy ball that is yellow and pink. I absolutely love this thing. Although I don't get squishy toys because I'm just going to end up popping them. But still, this is my one and only squishy toy. I love it. This is not really a squishy, obviously it's not squishy, but this is a game. It's not really a fidget toy. It's more like a fidget game. And you pretty much just have to turn it on, play with the volume, there's different levels, and you pretty much pop all of these things, and you press the back. So yeah, it's much better to do with two hands. This is kind of the same thing, but this is more of like the squishy, no battery type of video game controller. I like this because it's purple, so yeah, I play with that sometimes. We're almost done, guys. This is a like snake kind of thing. It snap, crackles, and pops. I know I kind of just stole that from Rice Krispies, but who cares? I love this thing. It does come apart, like here. I can't really do that. I can't take it apart with one hand, so yeah, it does come apart about this area. But still, it's nice and cute. This is my absolutely most favorite fidget toy. This is the Tangle. Where is the thing? Tangle. So I absolutely love this toy. It doesn't make any noise except for when it hits together. And I absolutely love this. I have looked at 3 different Dollaramas and I was so sad because I didn't find it until I went to a Dollarama at the mall and I found it. So this is my most favorite fidget toy ever. Now, these fidget toys could be used for ADHD, autism, arthritis, I think. I'm not really quite sure. And maybe some people with fetal alcohol syndrome, since the symptoms are similar. So yeah, that was me showing you guys all of my 8 fidget toys. And I don't know if I'm ever going to buy any more, but I think that's it. So again, this is all of them that I have. And I'll see you next time.